Cadillac is rolling out new electric vehicles, but it isn't giving up on gas-powered sedans. The CT5 is the largest sedan in Cadillac's lineup, offering a range of 4, 6, and 8-cylinder options with a WD or AWD for the 2025 model year. Cadillac is banking on a big screen to keep the CT5 fresh against segment rivals, which include the Genesis G70 and BMW 3 Series. What's new? New 33.0-inch digital dashboard, powered by Android Automotive Operating System, 5G LTE Wi-Fi hotspots, updated lane keep assist promises smoother corrections, standard blind zone steering assist, intersection automatic emergency braking, driver attention assist incorporated with available Super Cruise hands-free driving system, revised exterior design with larger grille, updated headlight units, deep space metallic black blue and Typhoon metallic blue exterior paint colors. What we think? In some ways, the CT5 can't live up to the ATS and CTS cars it replaced. Although it's still tossable, the CT5 doesn't offer the same superb handling. The base 4-cylinder engine feels underpowered, a shame given the competence of its 10-speed automatic transmission. The CTS-V is a different story. Plenty of power is on tap, complementing the linear steering and planted ride. Opt for the Blackwing and enjoy a delightful 6-speed manual transmission with short, precise throws. Inside the cabin, the CT5 benefits from generous rear seat legroom, although headroom is tight back there. We look forward to testing out the new 33.0-inch screen. We were impressed with the same unit in the Cadillac Lyriq, although editors remain divided on its intuitiveness. For those who don't love touch controls, Cadillac kept the physical climate controls, and a rotary knob can be used as an alternative to the touch screen. GM's excellent Super Cruise hands-free driving tech is the icing on the cake. Until Cadillac brings mechanical updates to the standard CT5, though, it's simply not a great choice for driving enthusiasts. 5 models are much more satisfying and can compete against the best in the segment. Performance. Despite updating the sedan's exterior and interior, Cadillac isn't changing the engines this year. Once again, the base mill is a 2.0-litre 4-cylinder, making 237 horsepower and 258 pounds-ft of torque. Fuel economy should resemble the 2023 model, which is rated at 22 to 23, 30 to 33 mpg city, highway depending on configuration. Next up is a 3.0-litre V6 packing 335 horsepower and 405 pounds-ft of torque, with fuel economy expected at around 19/27 mpg. These engines offer a choice between RWD and AWD, and they pair with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Of course, we can't forget about the CT5V, which uses the V6 engine but pumps out 360 horsepower and 405 pounds-ft of torque via a 10-speed automatic transmission. Then there's the mighty CTS-V Blackwing, which packs a 6.2-litre supercharged V8 engine with a stout 668 horsepower and 659 pounds-ft of torque. Buyers can choose from a 6-speed manual transmission or a 10-speed automatic. Prices and on-sale dates. The 2025 Cadillac CT5 goes on sale in early 2024. We expect a starting price of around $45,000. Look for CT5V and CT5V Blackwing models in the summer of 2024. Pros and cons. Pros: generous rear legroom, exciting CT5V, monstrous CT5V Blackwing. Cons: underpowered base engine, Standard models, not that sporty. Fuel economy on powerful variants. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.